Okay, so this is my, I guess, hacked up setup for my 3090. I'm using an EVGA XC3. Decided to use some of the Supremacy Evo EKB water blocks. Since there is a heating issue on the back as well, decided to cool the back side. And then I kind of rigged it so that way I put 4 screws, drilled some holes into the plates, and then kind of routed everything. It's EVGA Z490 Dark. It's an it's a 10900K chip. And then I have some Viper 4400 RAM. Nothing is overclocked right now. Just wanted to do a quick showing of what I've set up here. It's a 1000 Supernova EVGA. I have a radiator set up here, and then a water pump and a reservoir. And then the idea here is that I was going to do a quick disconnect, and I have a cooler with another radiator, kind of I guess a junk radiator. I have this pump that's there. It's a fountain pump, so that way I can circulate the water. I was going to kind of just show you that this is the setup, and here you can kind of see the temperature is right now sitting at 26 degrees. Right, it's my XC3 Ultra. I took it apart, and then the goal is to kind of show you when I put the ice in there, how the temperature, how low, at least the temperature I can bring things down. All right, so I think that's about it. And then this fan here, what I do is kind of just take this fan and just for some extra cooling on the VRAM. I kind of just do that, and then it kind of gives extra active cooling on the video RAM. So that's kind of the idea. I'm going to disconnect this and then reconnect with the radiator. I have some quick disconnects, and then show you what this is like, and then show you the temperature dropping as I do this. So right now we have the cooler hooked up, and you can kind of see on the screen that it's right now hovering around 25 degrees Celsius. Room temperature is around 24, 25-ish. It's about 75 degrees Fahrenheit in the room. What I have here are yogurt cups that I ended up using as kind of containers for ice. And then what I did is froze a bunch of these, put the radiator, connected it to the computer, and what I'm going to do is probably just drop as many of these things as I can and fit them in here, and then cool the water down. I think that's it for the video. I'll probably write some, or I'll link maybe some information on this video with the specs of everything I have, at least at the time of this video, and then kind of give you a little bit of a parts list as well, and maybe some of my notes. And then we can see where we go from here.